Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. The epoxy's all set up. Now I need to put some Loctite in those holes there. First step, remove the insert. Make sure I've got the hole cleaned out. Keep the epoxy away from heat sources too. Almost forgot, I need to put on a pair of gloves because I am not allergic to acetone, but it does cause my skin to dry out. None of that. If I get any Loctite on my fingers, then I have to get it off of it, and it's kind of a pain. Okay, so that's clean. Give that a little time to dry. Set that there. Set that back there so it can set up and dry and be ready to go while I clean this one. Okay. Now this one's much more open than that one. That one's a pocket. It's got a bottom to it. And this one's just an open straight through pass. And acetone dries really quickly. So I open up the thread seal. And Loctite stinks. Doesn't need a lot, just a little bit, because all you're trying to do is get it to wipe onto the threads. So as it goes down in, it spreads into the threads and fills up the gaps, and when it sets up, it's not coming out of there without some heat. There. That should last a long, long time. For use in heavy-duty applications, keep fasteners from loosening. Ideal for securing 3/8 to 3/8 inch to 10 to 25 millimeters. Heat and special tools needed for disassembly. Good stuff. Now we're ready to do the other one. Will go a long way. This is the same stuff we used on the assembly fasteners on the armor plated doors for the Humvees. When you put it in, it doesn't come out unless you really, really want it to. There. Now I can go ahead and finish the assembly of this tank to the engine. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.